Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey guys, oh, hello, Dumelang, which means hello. Clearly, I am all over the place. So, the next couple of clips I put together are videos I started and then I couldn't finish for one reason or the other, and yeah. So, I thought maybe I should explain and just. Can you see what's happening with my face? I look like a sight for sore eyes, but it's okay. So sometimes you start a video and then you along the way you're just like, I'm not feeling this. So I just put a few of those together, very short few clips here and there, and then I'm so hoping that I'll do a few sit down videos so that at least I can stop being lazy, because there's so much to shoot, but I'm just not feeling it. Oh my god, I'm not feeling it, but I will try. But enjoy the next few clips. Hey Louis. Hi. 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 Hey Lulu. Coco, where did you come from? This one, look. So you pet her, then you stop. And then you pet her, and then you stop. And then you pet her, even if I move, then I stop. Okay, you move her, then I stop. And she loves being petted. Lala. Lala. Hey. Hi. Hi. Whitey. How you doing? Yes, Louie. I'm supposed to grab a book. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Dumelang, which means hello. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm trying to figure out where to put you. Is that better? Okay, I think that's better. Today we're going to do something different. I want to cook and I want to not vlog, make a video, but I don't want to do a sit down video. I find sit down videos, okay, today I'm not feeling the sit down video, so we're gonna do it as I cook. We are making some beef fillet, extra trim beef fillet, but this is not a recipe thing, so yeah, you watch me as I cook. So today we're going to be talking about things I love about being home and things I hate. I have a little book here, so in case you see me reading down below, it is because, sorry, I'm banging things, it's because I'm reading. So things I love and hate about being home, and there are dogs down here, I'm trying not to step on them. So first let's get the chopping board. Get a knife. open this meat. So number one is the food. I wanted to do a video where I show you the food as I film, but unfortunately some of this food stuff you can't just, it's something that I have to maybe I'll do another video about it. So we're gonna have another video where I show you the actual foods. I might have to take it over several days because it won't make sense for me to show you food on I can't show you everything in one day is what I'm trying to say. So the food, it's different. Oh, you can't see me. Let me finish this first. Yes, Coach. I'm trying to vlog and it's refusing. So yesterday's vlog went AWOL because for some reason I wasn't feeling it. So where you saw me leave it is where I left it. Hey Louis. So I want to show you something that I got today. A candle. I need to set you up so that I can be able to see what I'm doing. And I always seem to be wearing the same shirt every time we're doing this. I promise, I have other clothes. So, let me get where did I get this candle from? Here. Okay, anyway. So, a candle. I've always wanted a candle. Scented candles. I love it when my room is smelling, you know, cute, nice, with a nice fragrance. So I've always wanted, but these things cost, they're so expensive, so expensive. Like the ones I wanted from the Body Shop were like 3,000, between 2,500 and 5K, and I'm just like, for a candle, no, I'm not gonna waste my money on a candle. So I've been looking around with my brother, and we got this one. It's an amethyst berry. I hope that's the way you say it. It is so dirty. It is a soy wax blend scented candle. It's sweet. It smells like berries, as it says. It's just a sweet, gentle scent. My brother picked it out. Not my thing. I like a strong orange, a strong vanilla. But this is not so bad. It's a nice, subtle little scent. Anyway, I've been ranting about a candle for 2 minutes, so let me end it there. But yeah, I love candles. This was 35 bucks, which makes it 350 shillings, and I was like, yeah, fine, I can deal with 350 shillings. And I'm still doing that conversion thing from pula to shilling. Anyway, so I'm excited about my candle. Can't wait to burn this. Thank you for allowing me to waste your 1 minute of your life. See you in the next vlog. Another thing, guys. Another thing. These things, oh my god, these things are delicious. I can't stop eating these things. They are, what's this? It's a maize snack. They're called flings. Bag full of smiles. It's true. I'm eating them like this, and it's like eating air, but this air is delicious. It's it doesn't say the flavor, but it's cheesy. Yeah, it's cheesy. Anyway, who cares? Delicious. I'm gonna get fat at the end of this. Just know it.
Now is my time to shine. Let's go. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite.